any given day. It's what I like most about my job, is that every day is different. So I spend a lot of time mentoring the students and training them in new techniques. I have my hand in a bunch of different research projects that are going on that we're looking at how exposure to antibiotics influences gut microbial community composition and development in stickleback. And soon we'll be looking at the effects of perchlorate, which is a common environmental pollutant, on the microbiota in stickleback. We're also doing surveys of wild populations to survey the aquatic and microbial communities in these wild populations and see how they vary in different environments.
When you take lab classes, it's very structured. You're given a procedure, you follow it, and there's expected results that you should kind of try and line up with. What's cool with actually getting to work in a research lab is you're not completely on your own, but you have a question about something, you want to find an answer to it, you can develop an assay, run some tests on it, and then get the results and see like, hey, that actually lined up, or no, it didn't line up at all. So that's kind of cool. Just, you're actually getting like authentic results and you get to learn new things.
So one of the things that I think is a real strength of our lab is that we have this really nice hierarchy set up where we have Kat, who's our PI, or principal investigator. I'm the postdoc. We have one master's student, we have a technician, and then we have 4 undergrads. And what's really nice in having this hierarchy set up is that we can talk to people at different career stages. There's this really nice mentorship that we can hopefully establish with our students. And also what's nice about it is that we all have very different backgrounds and interests. So Kat's main interest is on microbiota and the immune response. My background is in evolution and ecology of behavior, and so that way the students get exposed to all these different aspects of biology and how they all interconnect to understand host-microbe interactions.
I've never had experience in a large lab. The lab I came from in undergraduate was very small. There were 3 people in it, so coming to Kat's lab with a lot of people, it's been different, and it's shown me the real team effort towards a research goal, and I think it's been really great.
Now that I've actually been doing it, I've been entertaining the idea of potentially getting an MD, PhD, so actually going and doing my own research. It's everything that I had been told before was very much so different than what I've actually experienced. It's been a very, very good experience.
So we're very fortunate to be working in Alaska and studying Threespine stickleback. Every summer we get stickleback researchers from all over the world who come up to Alaska and sample populations in this region, and then they bring their samples or they ship their fish back to their universities and then study them throughout the year. So it's really fun. Every June we get to have this little gathering of stickleback researchers.